longer. Frozone, can you freeze them? Hey guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel by clicking that red subscribe button. If you're watching YouTube Kids, make sure you click the red gem to subscribe.
Toys.
I'm at the location. I'm gonna finally get those Incredibles, family. What are you doing, Underminer? You know I am here. I switched the boys' toy convention for his school to this location. Ooh, you are a sly dog, you are, Underminer. Let's go see if they're coming. I think I hear them. But first, you gotta move this big tunneler. Oh yeah, you're right. You're always thinking, Screenslaver. That's why I keep you around. I'm pretty sure that's the reverse. Well, it was my idea to do ToyCon here. Oh, stop your squawking. They're coming, they're coming. Put this big rig away. It's away now. Okay, good. I see Elastigirl. She's gonna pull up any minute. Here she is. Always doing tricks, that one. Wasn't that a fun ride, Jack? Where are the boys with the toys, though? Whoa, this doesn't look right. I hope I have the right address. It's kind of rundown area for a toy convention. Oh, how are we gonna get these toys up the ramp? I have an idea. How about we ask Violet to use her force field to bring up the toys up the ramp? That's a great idea, son. What's up, guys? What do you want me to do? We want you to roll up the toys with your force field. Helen, the boys have this harebrained scheme. Alright, listen. I have to move this elasticycle. You have to watch baby Jack for me. No problem. I love this little dude. Alright, I'm gonna put the elasticycle in the garage. Be right back. That was so easy, but wait a minute. Where is my baby? Where is he? Jack? There you are, babe. What? Oh no. He's multiplying now. How did this happen? Where is Frozone? Can't leave him alone with a baby for 1 second. Edna, where is Edna now? I think she's gonna have to watch him. Edna! Right here, darling. Edna, can you please help me? Darling, baby Jack, you know what to do. Breathe deep, my little boy, please. There you go, darling. Darling.
Good work, darling.
I'm going to watch him. Thank you so much, Edna. You're the best. I'm gonna take him down the stairs. Come on, baby. Let's go. You are so cute. Let's go down. I'm gonna show you some more powers. Alright, Violet, you know what to do. Yes, Dad. Okay, I'm all powered up. I'm ready to go. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I love having powers. I did it. Now let's start the toy convention. Woohoo! This is a weird place to have one, though.
Everything looks so great for your classmates, Dash. Oh no. What was that? Did you hear something behind me? Who was that? I don't know, Dad, but we gotta finish setting up here. This place is like really run down.
Yeah, I don't know. It's very, very strange to have a school event in this really odd place. Yeah, well, we got a really last-minute address change from some guy, Minor. I think he's like a music teacher or something. I don't know. Sounds fishy to me. Maybe we should just set up if we can get out of here really quickly. What do you think, guys? Oh, I can hear Jack downstairs with good old Edna. Dad, you're so silly. I know. Let's set up. Wait, is there something behind me again? This is so weird. I feel like a presence. Lucius, I think Bob is onto something. I think you might be right. Wait. You guys are saying I'm right about something for once? Cool it, Bob. We are, but it's just something not right here. And investigate. Wait a minute. Who's that? That's Screenslaver. He's right above your head. Hello, Helen. Oh no, don't look directly into his eyes. He's gonna hypnotize you. Violet, throw up your force field. There's the Underminer. Get him. Got him, Helen. There's the Underminer, though. I can't hold him much longer. Frozone, can you freeze them? I got it. Whoa, what a scuffle. Can you hold the freeze? I can hold the freeze. Of course I can.
That's the beauty of being Frozone. This is great. Dad, Mom, we got him. Now we save the toys for the kids. This is totally not cool. Well, actually, it is really cool. You're frozen. Good one. I'm gonna take them away. What are we gonna do with these toys? I don't know. I think we're gonna have to open them up. Looks like we should really move ToyCon. It's not a good location for it. I agree. I'm gonna make sure Jack and Edna are okay. Let's open the toys, Dash. Good idea. You're coming with me, you clowns. Let's go. They're frozen stiff. How am I gonna get them downstairs? Oh, the ramp. Perfect. And 2. Slide down for me. I'll help you look for baby Jack, and Edna. I love that kid. Have fun opening those toys, kids. Oh, I can hear baby Jack now. Ooh, which one should we open up first? I'm Tubey. Tiffy from Tubey Toys. Can you help us open them?
Yeah, but can I pick which one to open up first?
Yeah, we have Mighty Beans, we have Ryan's World Toys, and we have Party Pop Teenies. Which one should we open up first?
Mighty Beans.
Mighty Beans. Guys, we have Mighty Beans, and there are 2 beans inside. Did you know that you can get Mighty Beans of your favorite YouTubers, like Sandrew Kids from Disney Car Toys, Toys Review Toys, which is her husband, Fizzy Toy Show, Cookie Swirl C, and Squirrel Stampede. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
We love those channels. Look at this. This guy's crazy looking.
It's like a giant.
Let's see what's inside. Oh boy. Here's the checklist. Here's our Mighty Bean. And we got, oh, and here's a garçon. He's a French waiter. Garçon is waiter in French. Whoa. Let's watch the Mighty Bean roll down. Oh, it went down the rent. Oh no. Whoa. We love Mighty Beans. You could do whatever you want with them. Look, they spin around. You could try to make them walk. You can make Mighty Beans walk. Whoa. Love them.
Me too. Me too. Let's go see our other Mighty Bean so he doesn't roll away.
And each Mighty Bean has his own point system. So when you're playing with it, you could add up the points and win the game. There are all different types of ways to play Mighty Beans. You could play them with play sets. You could play them on your own or add them to your own collection of slides and everything else. Here is the checklist, and it is massive. So many Mighty Beans.
Oh, I found them. Do you see the fizzy one?
Yeah, influencer beans are right here. Whoa, let's look at our second bean. Oh, this is a cool one. Wow, he's worth 220 points, and he's the King Mighty Bean. King Mighty Bean is from the Medieval Collection, and Garçon Mighty Bean is from the Restaurant Collection. Love this. So cool. And you can store your Mighty Beans inside and play with them too. Look.
Yeah.
Have you found any of the influencer beans? Let us know in the comments below. I think I want to open up the Party Pop Teenies. Those are super cool. Ready?
Whoa!
Who do we get? Oh, wow.
Pretty.
She's so cute.
Now let's look on the bottom for her accessories. The checklist after you open them.
Cute. We got a handbag with a heart. Ooh, a beret, I think. Oh, and a water bottle. You could put the water bottle inside the handbag, maybe. All the essentials. And a beret with, looks like whipped cream and a strawberry on top. All right, let's check out the checklist.
Yeah,
Oh, how cute. We got Lily, and she has a unicorn on her. Oh my gosh, she's from the Rainbow Unicorn Surprise.
Oh.
And she wears a little hat. This is called a beret. That's French. Just like our garçon, the waiter. Super cool. Well, we only have Ryan's World Toys left, and it looks like we have a squishy, and we have, I think, a hang tag. Which one are you going to open the first? I think we should open up the hang tag. This one right here, the blind bag.
Oh, yeah. We never opened it.
Oh, it's a mystery figure, not a hang tag. Ooh.
I got one before, but not in the blind bag.
Ooh. So there are 8 to collect in all. Ooh, they got the Combo Panda or, ooh, Daredevil Ryan.
Did we get Combo Panda?
Oh, we got the race car one. Wait a minute. I think there's more than 12 to collect in all. Whoa, that's a huge checklist. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, but I like this race car driver one. Yeah, that's so awesome.
Yeah.
Super cool.
Yeah, but if for all Ryan's World Toys, even the squishies, the ultra rare Combo Panda is the ultra rare.
Wow, that is so cool. Wow, so many cool toys. We have one more, and look, more confetti is falling from Party Pop Teenies. We like these Ryan's World squishies. They are really awesome. This is series 1. And there are 6 to collect in all. So far, we have Taekwondo Ryan, we have Gus, and regular Ryan. We're looking for Professor Ryan, Combo Panda, and Red Titan Ryan. We met Princess T and Princess Fam at a toy fair the other day in Manhattan. We had so much fun, and they were so super nice. They even gave Tubey, they gave Marcello his own Ryan plushie.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Oh, is Red Titan Ryan?
Yeah.
Ready? Let's see who's, hopefully it's Ryan that we need. Please, please,
Well, I think
please.
it's Combo Panda. Because
No, I don't think so. Oh, it's regular
I
Ryan.
knew it.
He is so squishy though. Look how stretchy and squishy this is.
Yeah. You should get these for your son. They're super squishy.
They really are squishy.
Yeah. Ryan is the best YouTuber. But my mom entered the contest for Ryan, and the winner gets to do a video of Ryan.
No, I didn't enter the contest.
Oh.
Coming soon, there's going to be golden eggs, and there's going to be golden tickets that you can find in the golden eggs. And you'll be able to, if you win, you'll be able to do your own video with Ryan. How cool is that?
I hope we do that.
I hope we win. That'd be so cool to do a video.
Yeah.
Whoa. All right, let's see. Does he stand up? Oh, no, he fell down the steps. No. Wow, thanks so much for helping us open up all these toys. And thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to Tubey Toys. If you haven't already, ring that notification bell. Every time they post a new video or host a giveaway, you'll be the first one to get notified. Thanks for watching, and thanks for helping us catch those villains. They're so bad. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments below. Which is your favorite toy? Let us know too. Yay!
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah.